In the vast expanse of the North Pacific, the Aleutian archipelago stretches out like a string of pearls cast across the sea, connecting continents and cultures with its wild, windswept beauty. Among these remote islands, Atka stands out as its emerald jewel, a lush oasis of green amid the endless blue and gray. Atka is a living testament to resilience, thriving in a dramatic environment shaped by both fire and ice. Its volcanic peaks and snowy ridges tell stories of ancient eruptions and relentless winters. Its profound isolation preserves a unique character, offering visitors and residents alike a rare sense of discovery and solitude that is increasingly hard to find in our modern world. The island's rolling emerald slopes descend to a rugged, rocky coastline, creating a sanctuary where nature alone dictates the rhythm of life, undisturbed by the rush of civilization. Atka is a crucial link in the Aleutian chain, serving as both a vital habitat for countless species and a historical crossroads where ancient peoples and explorers once met. The surrounding waters are a nutrient-rich soup teeming with marine life, seabirds, seals, whales, and fish, sustaining both wildlife and the people who have called these shores home for centuries. Atka's dramatic geology, with its volcanic rocks and rugged formations, tells a story of fiery origins, while its landscapes speak of life's tenacity and the power of adaptation. Its remoteness shields it from the widespread changes that have transformed so much of the world, preserving its wildness and allowing nature to flourish as it has for millennia. Here, on the edge of the world, we glimpse the untamed soul of our planet, a place that reminds us of the raw beauty and fragility of the natural world, and of what we must strive to protect. Atka is not just a remote island, it is a living museum of ecological harmony, where diverse wildlife and unique plants coexist in a delicate balance. It offers a rare and precious glimpse into a world as it has been for ages, timeless, wild, and profoundly beautiful, inviting us to pause and reflect on our place within it. Atka's natural beauty is staggering, a breathtaking expanse that seems to stretch endlessly in every direction, untouched by the hand of time or human interference. With vast, treeless landscapes rolling towards the sea, the island's open tundra and grassy plains create a sense of boundless freedom, where the land meets the wild, restless ocean. The island's volcanic peaks, like the majestic Mount Corrigan, wear crowns of clouds, their rugged silhouettes commanding respect and awe from all who witness them, standing as silent guardians over the land. This pristine environment is home to wildlife perfectly adapted to its demands. Seabirds fill the skies in swirling, vibrant flocks, their calls echoing across the wind-swept landscape. Along the rugged coast, sea lions bask on sun-warmed rocks, while playful otters float in thick kelp beds, thriving in the cold, nutrient-rich waters. The surrounding waters teem with life, supporting a complex web of marine creatures, from breaching whales and darting schools of fish to mysterious life hidden beneath the waves. Atka's untouched wilderness offers miles of solitude, free from modern development, where silence reigns and the only footprints belong to wildlife. Streams run clear, and the air is pure, governed by the ever-changing rhythms of seasons and tides, carrying the scent of earth and sea. It's a living laboratory of resilience and natural splendor, where wildflowers and hardy plants bloom against all odds, painting the tundra with bursts of color. Atka is a rare opportunity to witness a complete ecosystem flourishing on its own terms, a symphony of life, harmony, and raw, unspoiled beauty. Atka's story is intertwined with the Unangax people, who have thrived here for millennia. Their deep knowledge of the land and sea enabled a sustainable way of life. The island is their ancestral homeland, rich with stories and traditions. Unangax culture is vibrant, expressed through song, dance, and craftsmanship. Despite historical challenges, their spirit remains unbreakable. Today, Atka is a hub of cultural renaissance, preserving language and skills. The Unangax people's enduring spirit is Atka's most precious treasure. Atka offers an unparalleled experience for the adventurous traveler. It's a place for explorers who embrace the wild and seek authenticity. Hiking across open tundra reveals hidden waterfalls and breathtaking views. Birdwatching and photography capture the island's diverse avian life and dramatic landscapes. Sea kayaking along the coast offers unique perspectives and wildlife encounters. Fishing connects visitors to the island's natural bounty. Atka provides profound solitude and silence, a rare escape from the modern world. This journey is a humbling encounter with the Earth's wild heart. Celebrating Atka's breathtaking beauty and vibrant culture comes with a profound responsibility to protect and cherish it for generations to come. The land, the people, and the traditions are all deeply intertwined, creating a unique tapestry that is both fragile and irreplaceable. Its delicate ecosystems face growing threats from modern pressures, climate change, and outside influences, making preservation more crucial than ever before. Every plant, animal, and coastline tells a story of resilience and balance. Atka stands as a global benchmark for environmental health, a living example of what can be achieved when nature and humanity coexist in harmony. True conservation must also honor and protect the Unangax cultural heritage, ensuring that ancient wisdom and traditions continue to thrive alongside the land. Responsible tourism is key. Visitors must act as guardians, not just guests, treading lightly and learning from those who call Atka home. Atka is a symbol of hope, a rare place where wilderness and ancient cultures endure together, inspiring us all to value what is truly priceless. The future of this remarkable island depends on the choices we make today. Every action matters, no matter how small. Let us pledge to protect this Emerald Isle, ensuring its symphony of life, culture, and wild beauty continues to echo for generations. In preserving Atka, we safeguard a vital piece of our planet's heritage and reaffirm our commitment to a world where nature and culture flourish side by side.